Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie healthy and feel good inside out. Going to be aloe vera, mango, pineapple and orange. Let's go make this. And so easy and made with no time. Okay, let's go to do it guys.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, ingredient going to be mango and pineapple. You know pineapple, I don't even have the pineapple, I have the quart. But this is the best one, benefit for you. The pineapple quart right there. 3 quart and mango, orange and aloe vera. Okay, I'm gonna prep this. Then I'm gonna show you how to make this so easy guys. Come on. Okay, first I'm gonna prep this mango. Clean up. Divide by 4, make whatever make easy for you to do it. Divide by 4. Yep, I'm gonna trim up just like that. Got one. Two. Three. Just like that, very easy. Okay, let's clean up. Let's clean up the over this. Okay, now moving on to aloe vera right here. Just take like how much you want. I take a lot. Trim up that because when I do it, the last time I used it, they have the kind of red and brown color. You don't want that, so just using this very fresh gel right there. Before I do that, I'm gonna clean first. Okay, the gel's already clean now. Okay, let's go ahead. Take up all the gel. First, I'm trim up this side right here. Trim up this side and divide by 2. It's easy. Take off the green one. Leave the gel because you don't eat the green one because they make very bitter taste. And take off all the gel just like that. Here you go. It's so easy. Do it again until you get enough what you need. Look at this, the gel gonna make you go to the bathroom so easy. You know they have a lot of fiber and they're helping your hair grow at the same time, helping your skin beautiful. So if you want to get this good one right here, they have in the Spanish market and they have in Asian market too. Go get it because about less than $2 and whole big piece depend on what market you go. Okay, so it's go shop around and if you don't mind about the price, go for it. So if everything's good for you, go ahead, eat it. You know, it's so easy. Make you who don't want a hair grow? Everybody want a hair grow and beautiful skin. So this one for you, make your hair grow and beautiful skin. That's it. This one I'm gonna get some more because it's so good for you. You know I eat this one all the time, almost every another day. Make my hair grow like crazy. I can see my baby hair grow like a lot. So if you want the hair thicker and beautiful and dark and black hair, you using this one. It tastes good at the same time. Remember that, don't take the green one because the green one gonna make the bitter taste. You're not gonna like the taste. So all you do is just get the gel, just like that. And if you don't want to make smoothie, you always eat this piece right here early in the morning, and the benefit for you too, early. Let's go finish it up right here. You know, it's very easy when we stay home. We don't have really nothing to do. We eat the good food, good drink, and you live healthy. Tomorrow, when it come in, don't worry about it because they're not gonna touch you because of you have a healthy thing you eat. just protect you. I think that's it right there. See that? Aloe vera, orange, mango, and pineapple core. That is benefit the pineapple core right there. If you throw in the blender, everything will be smooth for you and drink. Okay, let's go do it. Okay, here comes the blender and let's go. First, I'm gonna put aloe vera down here first. Okay. And second can be orange. You know, you can put how much you want. It's up to you. This is for 2 people. Pineapple core right here, 3 of them. Mango, that's the last one. You know, mango, you can buy from freezer, or you can buy fresh and cut in the freezer. But for me, freezer is better because it's convenient for you. Everything in. I'm gonna drop some ice a little bit if you want ice or you don't. If you don't want ice, you just blend it just like that, okay? If I want ice, just a little bit, just make it nice and cold. And here come orange juice. That's the last one I'm gonna drop in to make a fruit smoothie. You know, you see a lot of people make a smoothie, put milk in there. Don't do that because that's wrong. You put orange juice or you put regular water. It's up to you. People put milk on there. That is wrong because you want to eat healthy food. Why you don't put milk in there? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Okay, there you go. Let's go blend it. Look at this. Okay, everything in. Let's go. Here, my machine. Let's go to do it. Done. How easy is that? Okay, turn the machine off. Let's go. Okay, this is for 2 people. Let's go. Eat healthy and delicious at the same time, guys. You don't believe it. So delicious. Let's go. See how good look. It tastes good at the same time. When it good look like that, tastes good. Okay, that's it. There you have it, guys. So easy and simple and healthy. Get you go out in the morning easy and feel good inside out, and you don't even care. You're not even hungry at all. But this food right here to make you feel good inside. There you go. One for you.
All right. Breakfast of champions.
Tell them what's good for. What is it good for?
Oh my gosh, guys! You know, vitamin C. You know, it's mangoes, pineapple, aloe vera, which is
Orange juice.
has so many different benefits. You can look all of that up and find out. But the actual test is to actually go ahead and make a smoothie out of it. You know, it's good to know a lot of good things about a lot of good things, but if you don't take action and actually make the smoothie and drink it, then you're not going to have any benefit. So here's the good health.
You need to make that too, okay? Oh my God! Then you know the pineapple coat tastes so strong and good.
Yeah.
And you can taste orange. You can taste pineapple coat and orange mango.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! You can aloe vera is losing out.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
It kind of tastes like you would expect it to taste. For a lot of people, they don't know how aloe vera tastes. It has like a little bit of bitter taste, but it's
This
good
don't
bitter.
This don't have bitter
This one don't have it.
because I put only the gel.
Only the gel. So
Yes.
I go hard. I can put the whole thing. I don't even have to cut it or anything. I heard a lot of people on YouTube saying that, only eat the gel. Well, I've experimented and I've ate the outside part as well. Maybe not like in a large quantity, and mixed it with my smoothie. And hey, it's got a little bit more bitter, but again, I like bitter because I feel like I'm drinking medicine. Like I'm like, oh, this is going to heal my body for sure. So definitely tastes like you would expect: mango, pineapple, natural sweet, and it has a refreshness like water. All fruit smoothies, like 100% fruit smoothies, they give you that same level of refreshness like if you was drinking water. So that's the only thing that I can put next to fruit smoothies is water, because that's for us. That's for us to drink. That's the nature's, number one. Your body is, 80% water. So other than that, I'm aware I drink a lot of other stuff, but I know that, hey, I'm gonna drink this soda. I don't care. I just need that sting. It's all good.
You wouldn't feel good.
Don't beat yourself up. You know what I'm saying? But
make sure you have
let's be honest. Yeah.
Make sure you got it. You can put anything you want. First in the morning, you gotta make sure you have a good one in your body. And you go out, you feel like have soda or fat food, whatever, a little bit. Go for it. It's not the problem either. Look at us. We don't even fat. We good shape. Cause that's why we eat healthy and drink healthy. Go out. You can eat fast food. Don't matter. It don't matter. No limit. Just go for it. Okay, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up. Subscribe for me so I can make more to share with you more and more. Okay. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Cheers.
Take care. Cheers.
Yep.
Bye bye.